Hi guys, it's Bryson here from Genuine Japanese Imports located in BC, Canada, and today I'm going to talk to you about our 2005 Toyota Alphard MZG Edition. So this is a luxury minivan featuring a 3-liter V6 4-wheel drive, has leather interior where the seats can turn into beds, has dual sunroofs and power sliding doors which can be remotely controlled with, well, your remote, including the trunk as well. So let's take a look on the inside. Now we come over here. So of course you have your standard armrests, you can move it wherever you need. If you're on the road and you need to take notes or something and just get like something hard to write on, you got your little desk there, your little table there that you can handle that with, and that's all easily adjustable. Like if you want, you can just put it down. Heck, you can have your tea or coffee while you're at it. And for extra comfort as well, if you're on the road, obviously you want to kick your legs back. So this is where this comes in really handy. You get a little footrest. Like how many other vehicles do you know that have these footrests? I don't know of anything else other than Alphards or Toyota Nissan Elgrand's. And this is my favorite part. If you're really tired, you pull off to the side of the road. You just need to have a nap. I'll show you how you can have a nap in these. Take the headrest off, move this all the way back, slide it back to where you're comfortable. You got yourself a bed. And if you want, you can even use this as a pillow. Those can also fold back, and not only can they fold back, otherwise you'd have like no space, you can have a really long bed, but you can just also fold them up on the side. Because while they're up on the side, you then get more cargo space, so you can store more stuff. Or if you're traveling, got luggage or whatever, there you go. Now, besides these seats, you got your AC all up here, blows cold on both sides. Underneath the seats, everything here can be controlled from the inside back here. You got your open, close, you got your lights. You even have your power curtains. Yeah, power curtains. It's one of my favorite parts about this. And I can show you how to turn the back seats, fold them up, and show you some extra goodies through there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you basically how to fold these seats and get them up over here. So what you got to do first is you got to pull this lever, and then once you pull that, you got to slide the seat to where it lines up with this icon right there. Once that's lined up, then you're going to pull this lever. This will detach the legs here, which will allow it to flip up and hang up on the side. So let's get to it. Now you flip this down, otherwise it'll get in the way. Then you take this, just gonna undo the Velcro, and there you go. Easy, simple. Look at how much room you got. This has the 3-liter VVTI motor, or the 1MZFE, if you want to get really into specifics. And what VVTI is really is variable valve timing. So what that variable valve timing does, it extends the period at which the valves stay open and close. Not necessarily closed, but they stay open a little bit longer, so that way you can get more efficient power. For Toyota, other vehicles with similar engineering with the VVTI are the Supra and the old school AE86, also known as Initial D, the white car from their tofu delivery. It's got a really good, long track record. Thanks for watching. My name is Bryson Craig, branch manager here at Genuine Japanese Imports, located in Langley, BC, Canada. We import JDM cars from Japan to North America and other select countries, direct to public and business relations. Local clients enjoy discounted benefits. For your next JDM import, you can reach me by my email at bryson.k@genuinejapaneseimports.com or connect with us on social media. Find links in the description. Please subscribe and follow our channel for more JDM content. Thanks for watching. I don't really see him too much, but I can pretty much impersonate him. You can, like, as you're normally talking, you can hear a bit of the Irish coming out, or Scottish coming out. I always get the Irish and the Scottish mixed up. Now, if this is back in the 1600s, I'll have my head chopped off for that.